How to draw a ballerina. Hey, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Today we are going to be learning how to draw a ballerina. We are going to start by drawing the outline of her hair. She is going to have one piece going down on either side of her face. For these, we will start by drawing a curvy line going up and down near the middle of our page. Then we are going to draw another curvy line that is going to go to the right, connecting to the top of this line that we just drew. Then, from the bottom of each of these lines, we are going to draw a small curvy line going upwards, creating those two strands of hair that are going to frame her face. Awesome job! Now let's do the same thing on the other side. Then from the curvy line on the left side of our page, we are going to draw one smooth curved line going upwards towards the right a little bit. And we will do the same thing on the right side. Nice job! Now we will draw two more slightly curved lines connecting those two together at the top. Then above the middle of her head, we are going to draw a small rectangle. This will be the hair tie holding her bun in place. Awesome job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Now we are going to draw an oval connecting to the top of that rectangle for our ballerina's bun. Next, we are going to draw the outline of our ballerina's face. For this, we are going to draw a curved line connecting from either side of those strands of hair going downwards that we drew at the beginning. This curved line will make the jaw and chin of our ballerina. Nice job! Now we are going to draw our ballerina's face. We will begin by drawing her eyes. First, we are going to draw an oval-like shape near the right side of her face for her right eye. Then we will draw another oval shape just like this one on the left side of her face for her left eye. Inside of each of these ovals, we are going to draw a thick C. These will be for her pupils. Awesome! Now let's draw the left pupil. Next, we are going to draw a few lines going upwards from the top outline of her eyes for some eyelashes. Wow, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Our drawings are looking great. Now we are going to draw her mouth by drawing a simple curved line below her eyes near the bottom outline of her face. Then right above that, between her eyes, we are going to draw her nose. For this, we will draw a small curved line, kind of like a C, and then a small dot to the right of it. Then lastly, for her face, we are going to draw her eyebrows. These will be above her eyes, and we will draw a small curved line for each of them connecting to the outline of her hair. Awesome job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! We are all done drawing our ballerina's face. Next, we are going to draw her body. To begin, we are going to draw two small lines going downwards from her chin. These will be for her neck. Then we are going to draw a curved line connecting the bottom of these two lines together. Now we will begin to draw her body. For this, we will start at the right side of her neck, and we will draw a small line going to the right that then curves down for the right side of her body. Nice job! Then, from the left side of her neck, we are going to draw a backwards J shape. Then we will draw a straight line going downwards from that for the left side of her body. Now we are going to connect these two lines together by drawing a small curved line. Now we are going to draw our ballerina's tutu. For this, we are going to draw a diagonal line going outwards from the right side of her body, and then we are going to draw a curvy line going all the way below her body to the left side, and then connect this back to the left side of her body with a diagonal line. Awesome job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Our ballerinas are looking great. Next, we are going to draw our ballerina's left arm. For this, we are going to draw a line right here going out to the left, and then from the end of that, we will draw a small curved line going inwards. This will be for our ballerina's hand. Then we will have to draw her thumb. For her thumb, we will draw a small curved shape going downwards, and then for the rest of her arm, we will draw a line going back to her body. Nice job! Our ballerina's left arm looks great. Now we are going to draw her right arm the same way, but it is going to be going upwards right here. Wow, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Our ballerinas are looking amazing and we are almost finished. Lastly, we are going to draw our ballerina's legs. For this, we are going to draw a line going downwards from her tutu in the middle right here. Then from the bottom of the line that we just drew, we are going to draw a curved line going upwards, and then a small diagonal line going to the right. This will be for her foot. Then to finish drawing this leg, we are going to draw a curved line going upwards connecting to her tutu. Then we are going to draw her other leg. This one is going to be partially covered by the one we just drew. Going outwards from the bottom of the first leg, we are going to draw her second leg. We are only going to be drawing her calf and foot, going at an angle. Awesome job! Then we will draw a small line going upwards connecting to her tutu. This will be for the top part of her leg. Lastly, we are going to draw a curved line on each foot, creating the outline for her ballerina shoe. This is how to draw a ballerina. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up below, and if you want to see more step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, be sure to subscribe. Also, comment down below what you would like us to draw next, and stick around until the very end to see our drawing all colored in. Thanks for drawing with me today, Learn How to Draw Hub crew. See you again next time.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.